Okay, let's check this one again. The question says the equation y equal to 5 sine 3x minus 4t, where y is in millimeters, x is in meters, and t in seconds, represent a wave motion. Determine the frequency, the period, and speed of the wave. All right? So this is a special one. So listen, everyone. Let's go. Solution. So the first thing you do is to write down the equation. Y equal to 5 sine 3x minus 4t. All right. So as we usually do, you recall the wave equation that represents this equation. And the wave equation is y equals to a sine 2 pi x over lambda minus 2 pi ft. So this is the wave equation that represents this equation in the question. So as we usually do, you work by comparison. The first one, they say we should find a frequency. So from the equation, the frequency is found in 2 pi ft. And this is 4t. So what you do quickly is to compare these two. 2 pi ft is equals to 4t, as represented by this equation. Okay? So what you do now is to simplify and get the value of your f. So simply f, divide both sides of this equation by 2 pi t. So you have f equal to 4t all over 2 pi t. So this t will go with this one. So find out that f is equal to 4. Okay, 2 will go, all right? So we have 2 over pi. Here's the unit, all right? 2 into 4 is 2, then pi. So this is the value for the frequency, a very easy one, okay? So let's take the next one. So we should find a period. So also record this number 1, number 2, the period t is represented from our terms used in describing wave as 1 over f. That is the period. So now you've gotten your f, so the t will simply be 1 all over 2 over pi. So by inversion, t is equals to pi over 2 seconds. So we've gotten number 1 and number 2. It's number 3, says speed. So speed v is equal to wavelength times frequency, that is lambda times f. Okay? And here we don't know our wavelength. So we can go back to the equation. The wavelength, that is this. So you compare. So you have 3x is equal to 2 pi x over lambda, right? So cross multiply, you have 3x lambda is equals to 2 pi x. So divide both sides by 3x, you have that lambda is equals to 2 pi x over 3x. So this will go with this. So our wavelength is 2 pi over 3 meter or meter, yeah. Okay. Now the speed. So therefore, v equals to lambda f, which simply means what is the value of lambda? 2 pi over 3. What's the value of f? F is 2 over pi. This will go with this. Okay? So find out that V is going to be 2 times what? 2 will give us 4. And 3 down, meter per second. So this is it. Alright? So go through it. If there's any question, drop it at the comment section. So let's check it together. Right. So do it. Let me give you an activity for you to do. Let me see your level of understanding of what we've just done. All right.